besides my rows as well. So I'm going to start up at 1. Totally fine for us to make our rows a little bigger. Okay, I'm going to go down. I'm going to go way down to like 90. I'm holding down Shift, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to resize my rows also to 30. So right now they're 20. All right, so I just copied him and pasted him in here. If you were using Mario, you can use Mario, but Command P and kind of so dragging doesn't really work, but this works. So I'm just holding down Control or Command. Computed my paint bucket, and I'm going to fill it in black. And then I'm going to select his little eye and also our little wing, right? I am going to select everything else that's supposed to be yellow except for his little beak. So cute. Make sure you don't select any of the ones you've already made black, or you'll have to go in and make them black again. And if you do, it's not a big deal, but you can avoid it. See how I almost did what I said not to do. So I'm just going through here. I have to find the perfect little ducky yellow color. I might have selected one I didn't want to select, but we'll find that out in a minute, won't we? I don't like that. See, look at that. See, I got his wing. Somehow it selected things I didn't want to select. That's okay. You know what we're going to do? You know what I think it's doing? I think what we're going to do right now, he's all colored in. I can actually delete this because we don't want our kids knowing. So that based on these cells over here, if the correct answer is in there, they'll stay colored. If the correct answer is not in there, anything other than the correct answer is in there, it's going to turn white. The answer has to be typed in this specific cell, B3, no other cell, okay? So we're doing like a cell reference here, and this is basically not equal to, because we don't have that on our keyboard, okay? So not equal to green. So in this example, if B3 did not have the word green in it, then it would be formatted conditionally according to the rule that we're going to create. Or this one, if B4 did not equal 25, it's going to be formatted to be filled white, which is what we're going to do. Okay. Alrighty. So now what we're going to do is we are going to select a bunch of random squares within our drawing. Okay. We're not doing all one color at a time because then it's going to be really clear what it's going to be. So we're going to select a bunch of random squares by holding down Command or Control and applying this rule that I'm about to I'm holding down Command, I'm just clicking. I'm trying to be as random as possible. And I only have 4 questions, so I want to select a good number of these boxes. Okay. Right. So I've got this selected. I'm going to click Add Another Rule. You want to select before you click that Add Rule button, because then it's going to pull those cells for you. So it's got all my cells. It looks like a big string of gibberish. It's got all my cells in there. And I'm going to go down to, this is under Format Rules. Unfortunately, it is not set up to just be a part of the list. So we're going to go down to Custom Formula Is. Okay. Our values or formulas, as you can see here, always start with an equal sign.